Here I have a prototype of the dotGate with locking mechanism set up with a mower which has a magnet installed underneath, and these are the sensors that detect the magnet and unlock the gate. So I have the mower right now in no loop mode so we can run it and test it. So let's start the mower and see if it's able to unlock. Before that, let's make sure the door is locked. The door is locked. Let's run the mower. So it's going over the first sensor, the second sensor. There it unlocked, went back. There you go, they locked back again. So let's understand this setup over here. So there are going to be sensors on both sides of the gate. So there are two sensors over here, and then there are two over here. Okay, this is a prototype, but when we have the final product, it's all going to be in one tube, and we're still optimizing the distance and all of that, so it's an easy install. And then over here we have the locking mechanism, right? So whenever the mower passes through both these sensors within a certain time frame, only then this unlocks, because we don't want the gate to unlock unnecessarily when the mower is just mowing. And these are the latches over here, which are raised when the mower is ready to pass through. And as soon as the mower passes through, the latches are put back down, so it immediately latches. You don't have to wait for the doors to close, so immediately latches. The spring still has to be optimized so it doesn't swing a couple of times before it latches. It'll just latch in one shot. It's going to run off 4 AA batteries, so easy to change batteries. And right now we've designed it so that the batteries are going to run for at least one full season without change. And we are working on a solar add-on option on this as well. This is where the actuator is, which moves the locking mechanism up and down, and these are the 4 latches which help the mower to run in both directions, not in just one direction. So the mower can go in and out using the same mechanism on both sides. And this is where the wire goes into the sensors. That's about it, and we've put different lights with different colors on the board so one can troubleshoot if something is not working and make sure everything is good. We also have a test button over here. When you press the test button, it unlocks the door and then it locks it back. So if you want to test it, you can test it. And there's also a little buzzer on it. So when the battery is weak, then the buzzer beeps every time the door locks or unlocks, so that way the user knows that the battery needs to be changed. So there are a lot of other little things we are adding to this to make it a good product. So right now we are working on optimizing the few little things about the latching, so it latches in one shot. We're optimizing the code of the board a little bit, and there's also going to be a sensor like this, which is an opto sensor that actually goes in this hole right here, which detects the exact position of the latch. So right now we have it coded without this sensor, but eventually we'll have this, so it has precise movement to lock and unlock the door. But that's about it. So we're very excited about this, and once we have the next improved version of this, we'll be posting an update.